girlies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hey. If you are returning, hey girl, hey. Anyways, I'm back with another synthetic wig review, and this one is from a company called Melted HairLine. I'm gonna show y'all the pack. Style ELIANA and the color Dr. Red Velvet. Okay. It is a lace front wig. I don't know why these wigs will never tell you how long they is. We're gonna find out how long it is anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out the pack. Alright, they got it wrapped up pretty good. Now this is the color. Like I said, it is Dr. Red Velvet. We got black roots. And it all look like it already come with some baby hair. So we're gonna see how that goes. Alright girlies, so here's the construction of the inside of the wig. It comes with a band. It comes with 1, 2, 3 combs. Alright, so let's get into this install. Okay girls, so like any wig, regardless if it's synthetic wig or if it's a human hair wig, always go in with some alcohol and just clean up your forehead. You know, after you lay down your ball cap, you got all type of product and makeup up there, so just clean that off so your wig can stick and not lift with no problems. So right here I'm using my Ebin lace tint, and girl, I love this product. I know a lot of people said that they don't like it because it's messy. They must be messy because this shit work good for me. So anyways, go ahead and put your wig on. Look at that. It's scalp. Stop playing. Stop playing with her. So I'm going in with my wax stick and I'm just sealing my my wig to the back. That way when I go to glue my wig down, I don't have to worry about, you know, just little stray hairs, you know, being glued down on my forehead. And just go ahead and use a little claw clip and clip your hair back. So the wig fits good from ear to ear, and honestly I really didn't have any ear tabs to cut off. So what you see me doing right here is just basically cutting the lace at a angle, just so it could be easier for me to cut it off, you know, later when it's time for me to trim it. So I'm using my Ebin red can. I'm sorry girls, I forgot the name of the product, but I'm using a red can, and if you know, you know. And then I'm just gonna pull my wig down and I'm gonna press it into place. So I always like to go in with a little bit of spray because I don't like spraying on top of the wig, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. And I go in with a little bit on top, and then I just get my little wig band and I tie it all up just so it can mold into place, and I use a blow dryer to help it dry faster. On this hair, no heat, no product, and I don't know, it's just doing everything it's supposed to do. And it's a synthetic wig, and I'm thinking it's about 30 inches, so we're just gonna go ahead and say 30 inches. So I'm pulling my hair back to the back just to move it out my way, and I'm gonna go ahead and take off this band so we can get this lace cut. And still it's giving scalp. Like, it looked just like my skin tone. So I personally always like to cut my lace in 3 sections. To me, it just makes it easier to cut. So I cut 2 strips, and then I cut the side, and then I go in and I cut the middle. And always remember, boo, when you are cutting, try to cut at a little zigzag pattern. Don't cut that lace straight across. Like, move them scissors back and forth as you cutting. So right here I'm using this wig grip by I think it's by Olive Oil. I'm gonna have everything linked in the description box. So with the end of your rat tail comb, just go in and seal the ends of your lace, because sometimes when you cut it, the ends will pop back up, but this stuff works like wonders. So use your rat tail comb, use a blow dryer, and just do one side at a time. What the lace at? Stop playing with her. Oh, girls. Okay, so y'all already know how these baby hairs, oh man, these baby hairs is a hassle. Okay, so the only advice I can give you, boo, is just make it do what it do. However you like them, just try to get it as best as you can. Like, I've been wearing wigs for a little while now, and I still don't got the baby hairs down packed. So I just take my time. I part it how I want it, put back what need to be put back until I get it, as good as I can get it. All right, so right here I'm just using my mini flat irons just to curl the baby hairs backwards. Sometimes I curl them forward. It just depends upon how I'm feeling that day. So I guess this was a backwards day. All right, so I'm going in with my little Gotta Be cream, and I'm gonna go ahead and lay these down however I like them. You lay yours down however you like yours, sis. Just get it the best way you can get it. The key to these synthetic wigs, like, to be honest with you, is just finessing them. Like, some of these wigs just take a little finessing, a little cutting here and a little cutting there, but after practice, you get it. And then right here, I'm just going in with my Gotta Be spray. I sprayed some on my finger, and then I rubbed it on my baby hairs because I really don't like spraying directly because then it get to drying up on your forehead and looking all crusty. So I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses makeup just to tint that lace a little bit, just so it can give a little bit more scalp. And then I'm going through right by the baby hairs. You see it. Scalpiana. Stop playing with her. Do y'all see the color? No, baby. I think it probably took me about 25 minutes to do this, if that. All right, so now I'm going in with some concealer because I need to open up my part a little bit so it can give me natural. I'm trying to be natural. She was too closed up. We need to open her up. And there we go, baby. Look at that. Yes. No product, no oil sheen, no flat iron, no nothing. Okay, girls, thank you for watching me do this install. All in all, I really like this wig. It's fairly easy to install. I really like the fact that it has 3 combs and a band, like, for extra security. The hairline is not bad at all. I didn't pluck the lace. I didn't do anything to the lace. I just cut. They gave me pre-made baby hairs, but I still cut my own because I like mine a little bit thicker. I maneuvered the scalp as much as I could. I sprayed it with the lace tint, and I put a little makeup on because I'm trying to give Scalpiana. Okay, you see it. It don't look bad. It brushes out very easily, as you can see. It doesn't hold a tangle very well. And I really like how it is right now, so I didn't add any oil sheen to it, and I didn't flat iron it. But I'm pretty sure if you want a little flatter than this, you can go ahead and flat iron it. But for the most part, yeah. Oh, it is big head friendly, so if you got a big head, you definitely can, you can fit this. But it's definitely big hair friendly. Like I say, 3 combs and a band. And yeah, this this is one of my new favorite wigs. The color. The color. Y'all see it? Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. If you are new, thank you for watching. If you are returning, thank you girl. Anyways, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell, hit that buzzer, and drop me a comment if you like this wig. And yeah, go buy it. I have everything that I use linked in the description box below. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Goddamn Magenta, and follow me on my TikTok page, Magenta Did That. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!